I hope you learned how to make Play-Doh.
Here. Hi.
Hi guys, welcome to Blain Game. Today we are making Play-Doh. Is some plain flour, half a cup of food coloring, a large bowl, a spatula, a teaspoon, oil, and hot water. So let's make it. So what you need is 75 on top of the 50. Yeah. Okay. My brother's gonna pour it in.
We're using a...
Yeah.
That's less than... Okay. Just pour up to 75.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'll just go like this. Oh, that's good. So now we pour it into here, this cup. Just move it around, and then we put the fish color in, like that, and that's all you need. Okay. So now we put 50 milliliters of water.
Put it here.
There. And I'll tell you what to stop.
You gotta be careful with hot water.
That's it.
Kids, ask your parents for help when doing this.
That's just perfect.
Now you pour it in. Now
Mix.
mix it. I think we might need a mixing spoon for this or something.
So this is also edible.
True.
You gotta get all the whites out.
So you might need to mix it with a wooden spoon. So now we're just gonna add half a teaspoon of oil. Just enough. Now you pour it in. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Now look at it. Play-Doh is starting to form.
Now it's getting a bit mushy and stretchy.
And mushy and pooky and butter.
So it's very safe for babies as well.
Because they like to.
And you can also make this. And then half a cup of food coloring, any color, and then you put 50 milliliters of water. And then you start to mix, and halfway you put the oil.
Like half a teaspoon of oil.
Show me. I think you need a little bit of plain flour.
And then you need more plain flour.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Or
a
that-
little too much, I think.
Play-Doh.
I think we might
Now
need...
it's getting stuck to my spatula.
Yeah.
Is it tasty?
Mm.
Does
Very
it taste
floury.
really like flour?
It looks like chewy gum,
Chewy gum?
bubble gum.
What is chewy gum? It's chewing.
This takes a lot of time to mix up Play-Doh.
I think we might need a wooden spoon to mix it up.
I wash my hands, and so now you can mix it with your hands.
Yeah, look at that. And I wash my hands too.
So it means you need more, little bit of
So that means
flour.
you need more, little bit of flour because it is so sticky.
Oh, so cool, so floury. It feels like flour. Do you want to split it up and then we can...
This is so sticky, still
Yeah.
very floury.
Oh.
You don't want this to be so sticky,
So you need
so you
a little
need
bit
a
oil.
little bit of oil.
A little bit more.
Put flour there. It's like still have.
stuck to my hands.
Yeah. Not everything for me. Well, even the ball stuck to your hands?
No.
Huh.
Okay.
Because you said everything.
Because you put 2 hands, should be 1 hand only.
Okay. Not only mix it with one hand.
Yeah. So what if you by yourself? You can't
So
touch anything.
No, I want to eat this, but I don't.
So if you by yourself, you can't touch anything.
Yeah, that's why I use only 1
So
hand.
that's why you only use one hand.
So I put more
So I put more what?
oil.
So
now I'm mixing this up real good. So what you got to do is like this. You can roll it up. Yeah, I'm really good like this because I got the hands of a cook. Get it?
Wash your hands, Eric.
Yeah, like that. Real good. Yeah. Whoa.
we.
Flour a little bit
Yay.
and put there. Like this. Roll it.
Rolling. This is like a rolling pin.
Push it. So that's the Play-Doh now.
Yeah, boy. Chick boy. Chick boy. Chick boy. Baby, 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 baby.
So
Yeah.
that is how you make Play-Doh. Now you have Play-Doh. Wow.
Stretch. It's a bit hard, but
Show me.
it's a bit hard when to
So
stretch
this
it.
is the Play-Doh.
It's a bit hard to stretch like this.
Wow. Eric, hold now. Wipe your hands. So sweet. See? Can't you see? I put oil and flour,
Food coloring,
food coloring,
water,
hot water.
hot water,
And then if it's little bit sticky, just add oil,
a little more.
a little more oil, and then put coloring. I was at plain flour, so it's not really stick. So it reduces the stick. So it's like this now. It's very much like that. So Jason is having. It's
I'm
kind
just
of
gonna
really good. Look, see.
Stretch it so Eric can have some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can get half.
Yeah.
So that's the Play-Doh. Wow, so you can play with that now. It's very good. Eric, come over here. Move the things away and you can making a Play-Doh now. And very smell. Smell good.
Smells like flour.
Yeah, it's very safety for your child. So,
And baby.
yeah.
Baby.
Well, now I'm gonna morph it into something. This. I'm gonna make a face.
It's really easy, guys.
It's really easy, guys, so you should really try this.
Wow, Eric, what did you make?
A mouth.
For
Wait,
some reason, I
mouth.
want to make something.
That sticks onto your mouth. Okay, so we got straws out,
To
so
make something.
we can make something.
Yeah, this is what I'm making. Yeah. Something for a worm to lift. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
What's that mean?
It's a way.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and share. And by the way, this is a TV.
I hope you learned how to make Play-Doh.